Nestled in the heart of Pakistan's Punjab province lies the city of KAMOKE. It's a place where time seems to move a little slower. KAMOKE is part of the Gujranwala district, a region known for its fertile land. This city offers a glimpse into the authentic rural life of Pakistan. KAMOKE is more than just a dot on the map, it's a place with a rich history. The city has deep roots in agriculture. Generations of farmers have worked this land. Their efforts have sustained the community for centuries. KAMOKE is a city of contrasts. Modern life exists alongside traditional values. This blend creates a unique cultural landscape. It's a place where visitors can experience the true essence of Pakistan. KAMOKE is a city where agriculture reigns supreme. The land is fertile, providing an ideal environment for a variety of crops to flourish. The city's economy is deeply intertwined with its agricultural roots, making it a vital hub for farming activities in the region. The air is filled with the scent of freshly tilled soil, a testament to the hard work and dedication of the farmers who prepare the fields with care and precision. This preparation is crucial for ensuring a bountiful harvest. The landscape is a patchwork of vibrant green fields stretching as far as the eye can see. These fields are not just a sight to behold, but also a source of sustenance for the local community and beyond. These fields are a testament to the hard work of the local farmers who toil day in and day out to ensure that the crops are healthy and abundant. Their efforts are the backbone of KAMOKE's agricultural success.
Wheat is the backbone of KAMOKE's agricultural industry. The golden fields of wheat are a common sight, symbolizing the prosperity and resilience of the farming community. Rice also thrives in the region's climate, with lush paddies dotting the landscape. The cultivation of rice is a meticulous process, requiring skill and patience. These crops are staples in the Pakistani diet, forming the foundation of many traditional meals. The importance of wheat and rice in daily life cannot be overstated. The farmers of KAMOKE play a vital role in feeding the nation. Their dedication and hard work ensure that there is a steady supply of fresh produce for markets and homes across the country.
Sugarcane is another important crop grown in KAMOKE. The tall, sturdy stalks are a familiar sight, representing the diversity of the region's agricultural output. The tall stalks sway gently in the breeze, creating a serene and picturesque scene. This movement is a reminder of the natural beauty that accompanies agricultural life. They are a common sight in the surrounding countryside, adding to the rich tapestry of KAMOKE's agricultural landscape. The sugarcane harvest is a time of great activity and celebration. Festivals and gatherings mark this period, highlighting the community's connection to the land and its produce. The agricultural bounty of KAMOKE is evident in its bustling markets. These markets are a hive of activity, showcasing the fresh produce that the region is known for. Here, locals and traders gather to buy and sell fresh produce. The markets are a vital part of the local economy, providing a space for commerce and community interaction. The markets are a riot of colors, sounds, and smells. Each stall offers a unique array of fruits, vegetables, and other goods, reflecting the diversity of KAMOKE's agricultural output. They offer a glimpse into the daily life of this vibrant city, where agriculture is not just an industry but a way of life. The markets are a testament to the community's resilience and resourcefulness. KAMOKE experiences a typical humid subtropical climate. Hot summers and mild winters characterize the region. The monsoon season from July to September brings much-needed rainfall. This nourishes the land and sustains the crops.
Spring is a beautiful time to visit KAMOKE. The weather is pleasant with warm days and cool nights. The fields are a vibrant green. The air is filled with the fragrance of blossoming flowers.
Autumn is another excellent time to experience KAMOKE. The summer heat has subsided. The landscape transforms into a tapestry of warm colors. The harvest season is in full swing. Winters in KAMOKE are mild and short. The days are sunny and cool. The nights can be chilly. It's a time for families to gather indoors. They share stories and enjoy traditional winter dishes. KAMOKE's diverse landscape supports a variety of plant and animal life. Common trees in the region include mango, fig, and eucalyptus. Their presence adds to the beauty of the countryside. They provide shade from the summer sun. The agricultural fields are teeming with life. Insects, birds, and small mammals thrive among the crops. The air is alive with the chirping of crickets. The sight of a flock of birds taking flight is a common occurrence. The canals that crisscross the region are home to various fish species. These canals are a lifeline for the local ecosystem. They provide water for irrigation and support a diverse range of aquatic life. The skies above KAMOKE are often filled with birds of prey. Kites soar effortlessly on the thermals. Their keen eyesight allows them to spot prey from great heights. They are a reminder of the wild beauty that still exists in this part of Pakistan. Section 5. The lifeline of KAMOKE Canal irrigation. Water is the lifeblood of agriculture. Without it, crops would wither and the land would become barren. In regions like KAMOKE, where rainfall is unpredictable, the importance of a reliable water source cannot be overstated.
In KAMOKE, the intricate network of canals plays a pivotal role in sustaining the land. These canals are meticulously planned and maintained to ensure that every field receives the water it needs. These canals, a legacy of the region's history, are essential for irrigation. They have been the backbone of agriculture here for generations, passed down from one era to the next.
They ensure a steady supply of water to the fields, even during the driest months. This consistency is crucial for the growth of crops and the livelihood of farmers. The canal system is a marvel of engineering. It represents a harmonious blend of nature and human ingenuity, designed to harness the power of water for the benefit of the community.
It channels water from the nearby rivers. This diversion is carefully controlled to ensure that the river ecosystems remain balanced while providing the necessary water for irrigation. This water is then distributed to the fields through a network of smaller channels. These channels weave through the landscape, reaching even the most remote fields. This intricate system is vital for the success of KAMOKE's agricultural industry. Without it, the fields would not be as lush and productive.
The canals are more than just a source of water. They are a symbol of the community's resilience and adaptability. They are an integral part of the local ecosystem. The canals support a diverse range of aquatic life, contributing to the region's biodiversity. They provide a habitat for fish and other aquatic life. This biodiversity is essential for maintaining the ecological balance.
The banks of the canals are often lined with trees. These trees not only prevent soil erosion, but also enhance the beauty of the landscape. These trees offer shade and shelter to birds and animals. They create a microhabitat that supports various forms of wildlife. Life in KAMOKE revolves around the rhythm of the canals. The daily activities of the community are closely tied to the flow of water.
The flow of water dictates the planting and harvesting seasons. Farmers plan their activities based on the availability of water. The canals are a testament to human ingenuity and the importance of water management in sustaining life. They are a lifeline for the community, ensuring that the land remains fertile and productive. Section 6. Rooted in tradition, culture and economy. KAMOKE's culture is deeply rooted in agriculture. The fields stretch as far as the eye can see, a testament to the hard work and dedication of its people. Generations of farmers have passed down their knowledge and traditions. This transfer of wisdom ensures that the farming techniques remain effective and sustainable. The city's economy is also heavily reliant on agriculture. The produce from these farms not only feeds the local population but also contributes significantly to the region's economy. It provides livelihoods for a significant portion of the population. Many families depend on the land for their sustenance and well-being.
The people of KAMOKE are known for their warm hospitality. Their friendliness is evident in every interaction, making visitors feel right at home. Visitors to the city are often welcomed with open arms. This genuine warmth leaves a lasting impression on anyone who comes to KAMOKE. The pace of life is slower here. This relaxed lifestyle allows people to enjoy the simple pleasures of life, away from the hustle and bustle of urban centers. People take the time to connect with each other. Whether it's a friendly chat in the market or a gathering at a local event, community bonds are strong. This creates a strong sense of community. Everyone looks out for one another, fostering a supportive and caring environment.
The city comes alive during festivals and celebrations. These events are eagerly anticipated and bring a burst of energy and joy to the community. These events are a time for people to come together. They offer a chance to celebrate, share stories, and create lasting memories. They celebrate their shared heritage. The rich cultural traditions are showcased, reminding everyone of their roots and the importance of preserving them. Traditional music and dance performances are a common sight during these festivities. These performances are not just entertainment, but a vital part of the cultural fabric. Despite the challenges of modern life, KAMOKE has managed to preserve its cultural identity. The blend of old and new is evident in every aspect of life here. The city's agricultural heritage continues to shape its present and future. The fields are not just a source of livelihood, but a symbol of resilience and continuity. It's a testament to the resilience and spirit of its people. Their unwavering dedication ensures that KAMOKE remains a vibrant and thriving community. Section 7. Beyond KAMOKE, exploring nearby treasures. While Kamoke offers a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle, it's also conveniently located near other significant cities in Punjab. Gujranwala, a major industrial and cultural hub, is a short distance away. It's known for its historical sites, bustling bazaars, and delicious food.
Lahore, the vibrant capital of Punjab, is also within easy reach of Kamoke. Known as the City of Gardens, Lahore is a treasure trove of history, culture, and architecture. From the magnificent Badshahi Mosque to the Shalimar Gardens, Lahore offers a captivating glimpse into the Mughal era.
These nearby cities provide ample opportunities to delve deeper into the rich history and culture of Punjab. A visit to Kamoke can be easily combined with excursions to these urban centres. This allows travellers to experience the best of both worlds, the tranquility of rural life and the vibrancy of urban Pakistan. Section 8. The allure of simplicity, Kamoke's enduring charm. Kamoke is a city that often gets overlooked. Travellers often bypass it on their way to more popular destinations. However, this hidden gem holds a unique allure. It offers a glimpse into a way of life that is rapidly disappearing. The charm of Kamoke lies in its simplicity. Life here moves at a slower pace. The air is clean, the people are friendly. It's a place where one can escape the stresses of modern life. It's a place to connect with nature and experience the true meaning of tranquility. The city's agricultural landscape, its rich culture, and its warm-hearted people all contribute to its unique character. Kamoke is a place to unwind, to reconnect with oneself, and to appreciate the simple things in life. It's a place that stays with you long after you've left. Section 9. A place to remember. Kamoke may not have towering skyscrapers or bustling shopping malls. It doesn't have the glitz and glamour of big cities, but it offers something far more valuable, a glimpse into the heart of rural Pakistan. It's a place where life is lived close to the land, where traditions are cherished, where time seems to move a little slower. As you leave Kamoke, you carry with you the memory of its lush green fields. You remember the warmth of its people. You carry the scent of freshly tilled soil. It's a reminder that sometimes the most beautiful things in life are found in the most unexpected places. Kamoke, the hidden gem of Punjab, awaits those who seek an authentic and unforgettable experience.